Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Java JDK 24 on Windows 10 or 11 operating systems. Then we will configure the Java environment variables. Then we will create, compile and execute the Hello World sample program on Windows. Okay. First open command prompt cmd, verify whether is there any Java installed or not. Java -- version. See, we don't have any Java, so download the Java JDK 24. Go to oracle.com. This is the official website. Then click on products, scroll down, then click on Java. Then click on download Java. See here, Java JDK 24 is the latest release of the Java SE platform. Okay, this is the latest release at the time of making this video. And if you want older versions, just click on this Java archives. Scroll down. See here we have the all older versions. Okay. Now go back to Java downloads. Then select Java JDK 24. Then select Windows. Then download this x64 MSI installer. Just click on it. No need to register. See, once we clicked on, download started. See here, its size is 205 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, we have successfully downloaded MSI file. Click on it to install. Click on next. Now we have to select the location to store this Java files. See, the default is this one. If you want to change, click on change and provide the path. I am okay with this default location. Then click on next. See, now it is installing Java JDK 24. See here. See, we have successfully installed. Click on close. Now go to the command prompt again. Type Java -- version. See, it is not showing. Close it and open it again. Now run Java -- version. See here we have the Java JDK 24. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Now we will see how to configure the Java home environment variable. Okay, search for environment variables. See here we have the edit system environment variables. Click on it. Then click on environment variables, or right click on this PC. Then select properties. Then click on advanced system settings. See here we got the same console. Okay, either way is fine. Then click on environment variables. Then come to system variables. Then click on this new. Then provide the name Java _home. Then in variable value click on browser, or just paste that Java JDK path. Click on browse directory. Then go to the Java JDK folder, C drive, program files. Then select JDK. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Now go to this path and click on edit. Then click on new. Percentile symbol Java _home. Again percentile symbol forwards /, then bin. Okay. Now before clicking on OK, now check the Java _home. See. Okay. Not dollar, it is percentile. Again percentile. See, we don't have Java home. Okay. Go to here, then click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now go to the command prompt, run the same command. Now open new command prompt, echo percentage java underscore home, again percentage. See, we got the Java home environment variable information. Okay, so we have successfully set the Java home environment variable. Now we will create the sample Java program, then compile and execute. Okay, notepad. See, I am going to create in this folder notepad, then hello world 24. It must be .java extension. Hit enter, click on S. Now provide the sample Java code. See, I am going to create this class. Okay, I will keep this command in the video description. See, it is going to print this welcome to Artus course. So save the file. Now compile this Java program. Java C hello world, give the tab. Hello world 24. It is typo, no need to worry, just name can be anything. Hit enter. It is done. Now compile it. We have compiled. Now execute it. Java R2 schools, because class name is R2 schools. Hit enter. See, here we got the output welcome to R2 schools. See, whatever is there here, it printed. Now we will add one more line. Copy this one, paste it. This time I am going to add the two numbers, 8 plus 9. Save the file, then run same Java R2 schools. See, this will give the same output like this one. Okay, but it won't give the addition of the numbers. Okay, after modification of Java program, every time we have to compile. So Java C hello world, give the tab hello, hit enter. Now run Java R2 schools. This time we will get the sum of the numbers that we have given. See, we got both the lines. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Java JDK 24 on Windows operating systems. Then we have set the Java home environment variable. After that we have created sample Java program, then compiled and executed. The process is same on all Windows operating systems. Okay, for more Java tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.